guys, welcome to this new episode. Today I will be talking about the tropical rainforest section of underwater world Langkawi. This is the second section. You will find an array of tropical birds, animals and fishes. Out of the grounded and flight birds, you will see flamingos, spotted pigeons, ruddy shelduck, yellow golden pheasant, parakeet, laughing thrush and more. Then there are common snapping turtles and varieties of fishes in the tank, including striped carps, giant gourami, Mekong giant fish, blackspot barb, tinfoil barb, tropical garfish, Arowana, pacu, knifefish, freshwater stingrays, etc. But one of the best creatures that I liked here was the marmoset, the smallest monkeys in the world, that are only 7 to 12 inches long. Couple of them were moving around in the small tree. In fact, they were so small that they do hide behind the leaves when threatened. The best part of this section is that the birds and animals are kept in an open free space in their natural habitat. Neither they seem to feel frightened and come almost in touching distance as you walk along. The sunlight reaches this section through a translucent glass ceiling. Sit back and relax while watching these beautiful and amazing creatures. Like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon. See you guys later. Bye.